Guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Parang kinalmahan nyo naman yung pero nainitan kami ng konti sa totoo lang. But thank you for joining us. Sana, tama si Kai, sana magkita-kita tayo sa August 13. But before that, please help us spread the word. Tell your family, your friends about the film. Help us spread the word about our trailer that's gonna be released tonight, if not already released. Na-release na. Sige, mag-thank yous na rin ako. Ate Mean, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Bong, Kai, Aljon, Biangs, Tal, Cooks, Direk, sobrang thank you, grabe. Hindi ka talaga nag-give up sa amin. You really pushed us. You really brought the best out sa amin. You really brought the best out of the two of us. And talagang challenge and stretch mo kami to make sure that we offer something different in this movie. Hindi pa namin nasasabi to kasi hindi pa natin last day. Pero Direk, thank you talaga sobra sa patience and sa inyo. Kasi nga, as Josh said, sobrang ko sa script kasi gusto ko talagang maalagaan yung story naming lahat. Hindi mabubuo yung pelikula kung wala yung buong cast namin. So everybody here today plus Kuya Ketchup and Tito Noni, sila Miss Anna who plays my mom here, sila talaga. Oh my God, si Tatay Sweet, sila talaga yung kumumpleto ng pelikula na to. Hindi namin magagawa to nang wala kayong lahat. So thank you so much. Josh, oh my gosh, super thank you. Grabe, ang overwhelming ng experience ng pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. But I'm so happy to be sharing this with you. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you. Ayun, thank you po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagbibigay ng oras at sana tulungan nyo kami na ipakalat ang balita na showing na ang Happy for You ngayong August 14. And papasalamat din kami sa mga supporters namin. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And of course, thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you very much. Alright.
Okay, thank you rin sa mga anditong part ng team na to, Star Magic, mga handlers and managers, Rise Artist Studio, the management of Kyla, which is Star Magic din, at saka Mercator, and ayan. And everyone, andito, talagang everyone stayed. Okay, we'd like to request everyone to please stand up for the group photo, but sige.